Are your YouTube videos getting ignored? Let me tell you the truth. Content without SEO is like shouting in a stadium with no microphone. SEO, search engine optimization, is the secret behind every viral video you've ever seen. It's not just for websites, it's the power tool for YouTube growth. And here's why you need it. YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. That means your title, description, and keywords decide whether you're seen by 10 people or 10,000. When you use the right SEO strategies, you don't chase views, the views chase you. It all starts with keywords, the exact words your audience types in to find videos. If your title and description match those search terms, YouTube pushes you to the top. Next, tags. Are they magic? Not quite, but they help YouTube understand your content better. Think of them as little clues that tell the algorithm, hey, this video is about weight loss, or this is about passive income. Use tags that are relevant, specific, and consistent with your title and script. Use long-tail keywords too. Instead of just make money, try how to make money online in 2025. Less competition, more targeted traffic, simple tweak, massive difference. Look, great content is step one, but without SEO, your video is invisible. With it, you can explode your views, build a loyal audience, and start monetizing faster. If you want your channel to grow, don't just create, optimize. Smash that like button if you learned something new. Hit subscribe so I can help you grow every single week. And always check the description. I drop free growth tips in every video. May the Lord bless you and your YouTube journey.